Anxious about store product choices? This video features 5 Evergreen products. To start with, there's the Tabletop ironing board. Many videos recommending this product posted on TikTok have won millions of views. The recently released video has got 1 million views. Many viewers' strong eagerness to buy shows stocking this item is a great money-making opportunity for dropshippers. Good user feedback greatly increases the repurchase rate of this product. With a lightweight and foldable design, it saves much space and supports use in small spaces and during travel. Its simple operation and versatility suit various ironing tasks easily. Don't miss this practical product. Add it to your list now. The second recommendation is the Christmas 24-grid countdown puzzle. Google searches revealed that puzzles always have a stable sales market. Recently posted videos on TikTok have high views, indicating great popularity and market demand. This video has 1,400 likes and the comments include positive beer feedback and requests for the link. Consisting of 1,008 pieces, it's popular among puzzle lovers and also serves as an excellent decompression tool. Its unique Christmas-themed designs make it ideal for family gatherings. Collaborate with SourcinBox for customized products to boost your market competitiveness significantly. The third one is the laundry basket. On TikTok, videos of similar products attract high attention. Google's search trends show there's a large market demand for this product. This product has a foldable double laundry basket design, saving space and facilitating dirty clothes sorting, and an excellent home tidying helper. It uses sturdy waterproof fabric and has an upgraded large capacity to meet more customers' needs. If you have a home furnishing store, don't miss this profitable evergreen product. Look at the fourth item, solar deck light. It has remained highly popular on TikTok. The increasing trend of Google searches also proves its great market potential. Powered by solar energy, it is easy to install, which makes it win great popularity among environmentalists. This waterproof and durable item is suitable for use on all occasions, expanding your sales target group. The last item is the waterproof phone holder. Multiple videos of this product on TikTok easily get millions of views. Customers' recognition is the best publicity for the product. This upgraded product has excellent waterproofing, supports screen touch and rotates for 180 degrees, making it a popular bathing accessory. It's compatible with various sizes, so customers can feel free to purchase from your store.